Fried and Tasted. All the recipes here are tried and tested. So Pad Thai is a stir-fried rice noodle which has shrimp, egg, chicken and or tofu. You can adjust things according to your preference. Like you can just keep tofu, you can just keep chicken, you can do a lot of varieties in it, and all these are flavored in a Pad Thai sauce which we will see how to make in this video. And also we have some bean sprouts, some stir-fried veggies, and most importantly some peanuts. So I'm going to tell you an authentic Pad Thai recipe, but you can adjust it according to your taste, your liking, your preference, because I'm going to do the same thing in my video as well. I'll tell you the original one, but I'm going to adjust it according to how I want it. So if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, share it with everyone. Yes, everyone. And under the video, comment and let me know if you ever had an original authentic Pad Thai and how did you like the taste. Even if you didn't have, just let me know in the comment. And if you like this video, then do comment below and let me know. Now let's see the ingredients. So I'll roughly go through the ingredients now. The exact measurements are in the description below. So for Pad Thai, first and the most important thing is, here I have taken rice noodles, and you can see the texture of these noodles are quite different. They are flat, unlike other noodles, and these are dry right now. We don't have to cook it like we normally cook noodles. For this, we just have to put it in boiling hot water for 5 to 6 minutes or whatever the packet says. Now the next step is the sauce, the Pad Thai sauce. For the Pad Thai sauce, here I have some sugar, fish sauce. You can get it in Asian food stores. In case you are not able to find fish sauce, like in worst case, you search it everywhere and now you're not able to find it, then the next alternative for it is soy sauce. But I highly recommend to first go and try to find fish sauce. Here I have tamarind sauce. This tamarind sauce is nothing but just a mixture of concentrated tamarind paste with some water. So it's 1:3 ratio of tamarind paste and water. Some Sriracha or any other hot sauce. Then here I'm using rice vinegar. You can use the regular white vinegar as well. So all these are for the sauce. Now we obviously need oil for cooking, and then let's come to the protein part. Here I'm using only chicken because I am not fond of shrimp or actually tofu. So I'm only using chicken, but if you can get tofu and shrimp and you like shrimp, please go ahead, just enjoy it with them. Now other things we have is bean sprouts. Then here we have some green onions that I have cut into these this long chunks. Here I have some eggs, and the other thing which is very important is I have roasted some peanuts, dry roasted them without any oil, nothing, and then I have finely chopped them here. One more thing that goes into an authentic Pad Thai is horseradish, which I couldn't find, so I'm not using it here. But to sum up, all this is what we need. So we will start with some out of focus situation here, and you can see my messy sink in the background. Anyway, here I'm pouring some boiling water on the noodles and I'll leave it like this for 6 to 8 minutes. So the next I will prepare the Pad Thai sauce. For it, first I will put the brown sugar. The next goes the tamarind paste. Then I'm adding some vinegar along with some fish sauce, and finally some Sriracha sauce. You can add as according to your spice level. So mix it and then just taste it, and if you think you want more Sriracha, you can add a little bit more. In a wok on high flame, here I have taken some vegetable oil and I'm adding chicken in it. If you are using shrimp and tofu as well, then start with shrimp, then tofu, and then goes the chicken. And cook it for 10 to 15 minutes until it is soft.
The chicken has changed its color and it appears cooked. I'll also check it with my ladle, and yes, it is cooked. And now I'm adding the noodles in it. The texture of noodle is like it's almost cooked but not completely cooked, so it is a little bit tight now. And now with the help of 2 ladle or a spoon, I'm going to combine everything. The next I'm adding pad thai sauce in it, and then again very gently with the ladle or a spoon I'll mix it. You can also use a tongue for it and just stir fry it. And now it's time to add the veggies. So here I'm adding scallions or spring onions along with bean sprouts. If you want to add horseradish, you can add it at this time. And then just stir fry it for 2 minutes gently, and then finally add some peanuts and stir it as well, again very gently. We don't want to break the noodles. Now lower the flame and shift the noodles on one side of the wok. And now I'm going to add some eggs in it. It's better if you add a little bit more oil and then crack the eggs. This way they will not stick to the wok. And when you see that it has started to cook a little bit, just wait for 10 to 15 seconds, then start scrambling it. Some people also add the egg in the beginning itself along with the chicken, but I'm adding it at the end, and then finally combine it with the noodles. And this is the final mix, and now it's ready. Serve it immediately, piping hot.